70% of people fail the TSA 2D to 3D folding section on their first try. Not because they're not smart, they run out of time. Today, I'll give you 5 of the hardest folding questions there are, and the exact shortcut that beats each one. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The folding section is timed as one block, about 15 to 20 shapes, and the clock is the real enemy. You don't lose points because a cube is hard. You lose them because you try to refold the whole net in your head every single time. The fix is always the same. Find one anchor on the shape and track only that. One symbol, one bright face, one corner. 5 questions. Pause whenever you want and try first. Here we go. Question 1. A cube net with 5 different symbols. Which cube folds from this net? It folds away from you. So watch the handedness of every symbol. The answer is C. Look at B, that's the mirror image. Same faces, but the spiral and the F are flipped. That's the trap that catches most people. The shortcut: anchor one asymmetric symbol. Say the F, track which way it spins toward its neighbor. The correct fold keeps that spin, the mirror reverses it. You never have to fold the other 4 faces. Question 2. Now a triangular prism, no symmetry to fall back on. Which solid folds from this net? Track the line cap, the diagonal, and the arrow together. The answer is B. The decoys each break one thing, one mirrors it, one rotates the diagonal, one swaps 2 faces, one lights up the wrong cap. The shortcut: lock onto one landmark, the line cap. Read the diagonal and the arrow relative to that cap, not to the page. One reference point kills 4 wrong answers. Question 3. How many cubes have exactly 5 painted faces? Everything is painted except where it sits on the table, so a floating cube's bottom is painted. Two cubes, the top of the tower, it only touches on its bottom face, so 5 sides are painted. And the cube that hangs out over the edge, it floats, so its bottom is painted too. The shortcut: tally every cube once. Any cube that floats or only touches the structure on a single face shows 5 painted sides. Don't forget the bottoms. Question 4. A sheet folded 3 times. The last fold is diagonal, then punched, then opened. Which hole pattern is correct? The diagonal fold mirrors across the diagonal, not up and down. The answer is B. 1 punch, 3 folds, 8 holes. The classic trap is folding that diagonal the wrong way. The holes land mirrored and it looks almost right. The shortcut: unfold backwards, mirroring across each crease in reverse order. When you reach the diagonal, mirror across the diagonal line itself, corner to corner. Question 5, the hardest format. 14 numbered edges on a cube net. When it folds, which edge meets edge 1? 2 net edges glue into a single cube edge. Edge 11. On the flat net, they're nowhere near each other, but they fold into the same cube edge. The shortcut: find the corner the 2 faces share when folded, then read outward from it. That's your glue edge. The pro move: tag 3 adjacent faces around a corner. and you'll never refold the whole net. 5 shapes, 5 anchors, that's the whole game. 1 symbol, 1 bright face, 1 corner, and the clock stops being your enemy. If you want the full method, the folding hack, animated walkthroughs, and 100 timed questions, it's all in the Prep Terminal TSA course. Link below. Train the anchor, beat the timer. See you in there.